As a Scrum Master, you'll need a diverse skill set to effectively facilitate and support your team in adopting and implementing Scrum principles and practices. Here are 10 essential skills for a Scrum Master. Facilitation skills. A Scrum Master needs to facilitate various Scrum events such as daily stand-ups, sprint planning, sprint review, and sprint retrospective meetings. Effective facilitation involves keeping discussions focused, encouraging participation, and resolving conflicts. Communication skills. Clear and concise communication is essential for conveying project goals, priorities, and impediments to team members, stakeholders, and other relevant parties. Additionally, active listening is crucial for understanding team concerns and facilitating effective collaboration. Servant leadership. Scrum Masters serve as servant leaders, prioritizing the needs of the team above their own. They support the team by removing impediments, facilitating decision-making processes, and empowering team members to take ownership of their work. Coaching and mentoring. Scrum Masters coach and mentor team members on Scrum principles, practices, and values to foster a culture of continuous improvement. They provide guidance on Agile methodologies, encourage self-organization, and help teams adapt to change. Conflict resolution. Conflict is inevitable in any team environment. Scrum Masters need to possess strong conflict resolution skills to address disagreements, facilitate constructive discussions, and help teams reach consensus while maintaining a positive working relationship. Empathy. Understanding the perspectives, feelings, and motivations of team members is essential for building trust and fostering collaboration. Scrum Masters demonstrate empathy by actively listening to team concerns, providing support, and advocating for their needs. Problem solving. Scrum Masters must be adept at identifying and addressing obstacles that impede the team's progress. They use creative problem-solving techniques to mitigate risks, resolve issues, and optimize the team's performance within the constraints of the Scrum framework. Change management. Agile environments are dynamic, requiring adaptability and resilience. Scrum Masters facilitate organizational change by promoting a culture of experimentation, embracing feedback, and continuously improving processes to enhance team productivity and product quality. Stakeholder management. Scrum Masters engage with stakeholders to ensure alignment between project objectives and stakeholder expectations. They communicate project progress, gather feedback, and manage stakeholder relationships to support the successful delivery of value. Technical knowledge, optional while not strictly required, having a basic understanding of software development processes, tools, and technologies can be beneficial for effectively supporting development teams, particularly in resolving technical impediments and facilitating discussions with technical stakeholders. By honing these skills, Scrum Masters can effectively guide their teams towards achieving their goals and delivering value to stakeholders in an Agile environment.